YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, almost more than a month I haven't made a video. So finally I am here with a video. Today's video is very special because this video I'm going to make a cake, a cheesecake. I know I have uploaded cheesecake video prior to this also, but today would be like a lockdown cheesecake. Since I don't have cream cheese, I'm going to use substitute of that, and you can also learn from it and you can make a simple cheesecake at home and enjoy that. So this cheesecake is especially for my friend. It's her birthday today, so the time is now I don't have much time, it may take 2 hours at least to finish the whole process of making the cheesecake. It's a no baking process. So let's get started. To start with the video, I'm taking a simple Mari biscuit. I require a little bit of Mari biscuit. That much. Around 10 to 11 pieces of it. You just need to crush it. Just crush it really into a fine powder. You can use a food processor, you can use a mixer grinder or anything in order to break this biscuit. I'm just using my hands. That's it. I've crushed the biscuit and I've mixed it with butter. It's fully mixed with butter. Take a cake tin. I've frozen it. That's it, it's done. Milk, say around 1.5 cup of milk. Put it on high flame and let it just get simmer for a while. Start adding lemon juice little by little. Exactly what you're looking for. That's it. You don't need to drain out the whole water. You can just keep it because this is not a normal cottage cheese. So we're going to utilize this. I don't have a cheese cream, so I just need to use this cream. That's the cream cheese mixture. Just need to blend it. If you want it more smoother than this, it's up to you. So that's it. It is ready. Your cream cheese is ready. Ready for use. If I don't need more, this is enough for me. I'm going to add yogurt in this in order to make my cake, blueberry cheesecake, not blueberry, the cheesecake to taste more better. I have made homemade curd. Once your cream cheese is added, you can add your white chocolate. texture, I'm going to reduce it. So that's it. That's the cake. Cake is ready. I'm not going to unmold it now. I'll unmold it after some time. This is just a design that I have created since I don't have mango or anything. So I've just used it. How to design it is very simple. The jelly that I have prepared it, when it's a little bit hot, you have to pour it then automatically this kind of design will come out. This is just any blunt technique that I have used. And then I have prepared some cupcakes. These are yet to be dressed. I'll show you the pictures later. These are veg cupcakes. So that's it. Everything is prepared. And in the meantime, we have done this decoration also. It looks nice. It goes my kitchen area. Change my dress and ready to move out. That's it. I'm taking this. This is how it looks. Why am I not unmolding it now is that because slowly it will start releasing, it will start unfreezing itself. So at that point of time, it will be automatically ready to unmold it. So that's the cupcake. I just made a simple decoration, nothing much. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel and watch out for some fun videos. I promise I'll be uploading some exciting videos. And now we'll be going for my friend's birthday celebration. So that's it. We are ready with the cake, ready with all our cupcakes. We're going to surprise. So let's stay tuned. Let's go. That's the place. Happy birthday. Oh my god, this is so awesome. Aku naik.